My name is Blessing Asupo Egbo. I am the Executive Director of the Foundation for Social Program Initiatives, known as the FOSPI Foundation officially. And our mission is to create a world where all young people are able to achieve their dreams. So how we intend to do that is, as a program management foundation, we intend to implement evidence-based programs in areas of education, mental health, gender parity, as well as hunger and poverty. And our goal is, of course, to improve outcomes in these areas that we hope to serve people. So we would be able to, of course, interview people, conduct needs assessments, be able to come up with strategies and plans that have been proven, evidence-based, that have been proven to work in these areas to be able to serve the people and to improve and stimulate positive outcomes in areas of education, like I have mentioned, gender parity, mental health, and of course, poverty and hunger.
Good morning and welcome to the Federal Neuro Psychiatric Hospital Calabar. My name is Dr. Emmanuel Essien. I am the Acting Head of Clinical Services here in our hospital. You are very welcome and we are glad to have your organization here with us. I'm interested to know that our hospital is the oldest mental health facility in the country, established in 1903. And so we have over 100 years of providing mental health services to persons in Cross River State. We actually started here, so we've been here for over 100 years, almost more than 20 years. So we started here all those many years ago, and as you can see from our long history, we've had many years of treating patients and providing mental health services for the local community. So the hospital primarily we attend to all kinds of mental health disorders. Of course, primarily it's the hospital. So we see other kinds of illnesses, but we focus on mental disorders. Depression, anxiety, the most severe mental disorders like schizophrenia. So we have outpatient services. What this means is that patients walk in and are seen briefly and then they go home. But for the most severe cases, we admit patients. So we have male wards, female wards. We offer substance abuse treatment and other mental health services in the various other specialties. So our hospital has really contributed immensely, going by our rich history, many years of service to the community, immensely to caring for mental health, providing mental health services to the local community. It's very important because one problem that we have in the local community is stigma. There's a lot of stigma as regards mental health. People are ashamed of admitting that they have mental disorders. People are ashamed of coming to a psychiatric hospital. Nobody wants to be seen walking into a psychiatric hospital. There's a lot of stigma. So the grassroots, education, information, advocacy, beginning from the grassroots, that is community-driven, is very important to really go a long way. So when persons see that regular people work here, regular people come here, regular people are taking across this message, passing this message, communicating this message, taking ownership of this message, it just makes it demystifies mental health. Mental health is not special. There's no health without mental health. It's just an aspect of health like every other thing. So our objective, those of us that are working here and members of the community like you who are here to partner with us, our objective is to make people see that mental health is ordinary, nothing special about it. It's not like malaria. It's still all health. And it is very important. So we really strongly advocate for partnerships, for community-driven advocacy, because that is where the stigma is, and that is where we should reach to people to change their mindsets concerning stigma. We're really happy to partner with the organization, and for us this is important because We don't want to work in silos, people doing their thing separately. Everybody that's working in the field of mental health should come together because we have things to learn from each other. For example, today we're doing a road walk. This is to our benefit and also to your benefit and to the benefit of the community. So it's an important thing for partnerships. Partnerships are important. It will really help, to improve the quality of services, to improve people's access to care and willingness to contact care. So we're really happy to have you here, and we hope we have the partnership get stronger and stronger, and we can achieve so much together as the years go by. Thank you very much.
My name is Silva Gbogbo, and I'm the Secretary of the Healthy Billionaires Fitness Club. FOSPI is an organization that into social programs to change, and Healthy Billionaires is a fitness club, also an advocacy group. We look out for issues about society that we can pick and talk on. In the other years, we've done cases about mental health, and of course we had great partners like the Federal Neuro Psychiatric, and other, United Nations who have partnered with us. So finding that FOSPI is doing a program that is, relative, it's only right that we also, lend a hand where necessary. Of course, we're a fitness club. Many will wonder why we are, but it's only right that this is what we do. We do advocacy as well. So when it comes to, creating awareness, we would be glad to partner with any organization that find us, fitting in their scheme of work or scope. Thank you. In a lot of ways, it has a lot of positive impact. Like I said, it increases your self-esteem. It helps you release the feel-good chemicals. It helps you have better sleep. It reduces anxiety. And a couple of other ways. Coming out, meeting people is a lot of, once you've identified that there's a mental health challenge around you, one of the easiest and most common measures we advise people, is never be alone. Break the stigma, speak to someone, talk to someone, and you just might find help. Thank you. I just want to encourage FOSPI. The initiative is not an easy one. You might meet hurdles along the way, but as you go on, keep pushing, and you'll find that niche in society that you're really looking for. Thank you.
Message is mental health is total health. So you guide your mental health jealously, because that takes care of what the physical looks like.
My message about mental health is real. Okay? It can happen to anyone. Your total health is not complete without your mental health.
Like the public out there, I'm saying that mental illness is real actually, and they should not be afraid because they can get assisted when they are down with it.
Health is wealth, and mental health is physical wealth and total health. If you are healthy mentally, you make wealth very well. So mental health is total wealth.
My message about mental health to people is that there's a facility where you can get yourself treated if your mentality is at number 123 Federal Calabar Road. So they should try as much as possible to come here.
Today is our first rally on mental health, and so we are doing an awareness work, and then on Monday we'll be launching the organization officially. And I hope that everything goes well, and then we'll be able to achieve all our missions. Thank you.